All right, so whenever we're writing electron configurations, remember that the most important thing is you look on your periodic table and find whatever element you're talking about, which in the first case, we're looking at sulfur. Okay, so sulfur is right here. And so remember, we always start, it's just like reading a book, you always start in the top left, and you're going to read the book the same way. The only thing that's going to change as you go is wherever you end, which in this case will be sulfur. So I'm going to start here with 1s, and I'm going to go across both of them. So I'm going to say 1s2 for sulfur. 1s2. I'm going to just say 2. Okay, so we're going to keep reading the book. So 1s2. Come down to, we're in the S block again. I'm going to go across both of them. So I'm going to say 2s2. Come back. So 2s2, I've gone across both. Keep reading. Now I'm in the P block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've gone across all 6. So I'm going to say 2p6. Still not to sulfur yet. Oop. So I'm going to keep reading. So 3, I'm back in S. 1, 2, I've gone across both of those. 3s2, I'm still not to sulfur, got to keep reading. 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've made it to sulfur. 3p, 4. And that is the electron configuration for sulfur. So now I'm going to do the chloride ion. And so before I even get to the ion, I'm going to just start with my chlorine. Okay, so again, I'm going to find, oh, it's right next to sulfur. So I'm going to start same place, 1s, 1s2, right across, keep going, 2s2, 2p6, okay, 2s2, 2p6, wrong one, come back, 3s2, 3p1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 3s2, 3p5 is where chlorine is. But the chloride ion, if I look here, is a negative charge, which means that I have added to the neutral chlorine atom 1 electron, or something that has a charge of -1, which is an electron. So if I'm adding an electron, I need to account for that in my electron configuration. So since P goes all the way up to 6, I can say I'm going to add that to this P orbital. And so instead of 3p5, I'm going to make it 3p6 to account for this chloride ion, or this electron. And you'll notice when I do that, it has the same electron configuration as argon, which is a noble gas, which is very stable. So that's why in chemistry, whenever we see chlorine, we usually see it as a chloride ion, or that negative charge, because it's a very stable electron configuration.